Hi, do you want to make some extra money online? If yes, you have come to the right place. What does CFD stands for? CFD stands for contract for difference. The more you invest, the more you earn. Be careful, it is too risky. It is either winning or losing game. Pros: if you have good understanding about the app, you gain more profit. Cons: if you don't know the app, you might lose a lot of money.
How to earn some money online. So trading 212, if this green arrow keeps going up, buy, and if this red arrow keeps coming down, sell. For example, the arrow is here, this line, which is right now here the trading, and it's up here 925, and you wanna sell, and this arrow keep coming down, you earning money. And for example, if this arrow is around about here or around about 9, and you buying, and this green arrow keeps going up, for example from 9, this arrow comes up to here, then you earning money. If you are here and you're on 9 and you are buying, and this is keep coming down, it's gonna get, this arrow is gonna turn into red and you will lose money. You can stop it up here anytime. If you're not happy with your loss, you can stop it. For example, the same way, if you're here down here, you wanna sell, and this goes up here, you're losing money. And if you're not happy, then you can stop it. If you haven't registered in Trading 212, there is a link in the comment. Register through that link. You will receive £100 free share.
If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up.